India has transformed herself over the last decade, and infrastructure development has been fueling this growth and economic activity. India's infrastructure has been expanding at an accelerated pace to support the economic growth rate, be it highways or expressways, aptly described as lifelines of our cities, or engineering marvels like flyovers and bridges, or tunnels facilitating connectivity. These toll-based public-private partnership projects make infrastructure development sustainable and viable. The rapid development in infrastructure lays the foundation, connecting people, connecting cities, driving growth across the nation, and connecting India. IRB Infrastructure Developers Ltd. Highway to Growth.